Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aries. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Venus sitting in the sign of Aries, this is the reading for you. The first card that I'm drawing for you guys is the Ace of Cups. So very soon, you are going to encounter a situation that's going to fill you up with lots of joy. If you look at this woman, this girl is standing there with her chalice or with her cup and it's overflowing with joy. So some kind of news, some kind of offer, or some kind of situation is going to happen that's going to make you very very happy. So look forward to it. In terms of the timeline of when the situation can happen, I am looking at 1 to 10 days. So yeah, so something definitely is coming up your way, Aries people. The next card that I have for you guys is the Eight of Swords. Now, when this situation happens, I think it's going to be something out of the blue, something that you did not expect, because you could be going through this period where you're not feeling at top of your game, and something would suddenly happen and it's going to make you happy, and it will make you feel like, oh my god, something bad is going to happen very soon, because I don't deserve all this happiness that is happening to me. Like, I don't deserve all these wonderful things that are happening to me. And that's the sort of idea you are going to have. At the bottom of the deck, I have the 10 of cups. So, two cups. It's just that my only advice when I look at, all these three cards for you is that get out of that energy where you feel like, you don't deserve good things, or good things can't happen to you. Or, destiny is going to take its turn on you when things are not going to be as wonderful as they seem right now. Because it does seem like universe is going to offer you a lot of things moving forward. And you are going to be in a really good position. The only thing is, I think you've been waiting for it for so long that it would take you, it will be something that's going to shake your core, in a sense that you will be like, I do not deserve this. Like, after having waited for so long, after having manifested, this particular thing or this person for so long, you'll suddenly find it. So, for people in a relationship, I do see, there is a potential that you guys could be getting pregnant very soon, or, if you are getting treatment, or, something along those lines is going on and you want to expand your family, I do see that finally coming true for you. Let's see what other cards I have for you. The next card that I have for you is the Queen of Cups. See, amazing cards, wonderful cards are coming for you. Queen of Cups, again, a lot of emotions, a lot of connectivity, a lot of things are going to happen in terms of. If I have to say, in terms of the zodiac that I'm looking here, is I'm looking at Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very, very strongly. At the same time, the period of 8 to 10 months would bring a significant change for you in your life. Something new is going to happen, something new is going to start. Either, this is also for people of the same gender, so it doesn't matter, whether you are in a homogeneous uh, relationship or in a heterogeneous relationship. It doesn't matter, gay, lesbians, bisexuals, this is for all. You are going to bump into someone and you are finally going to receive that offer that you have been waiting for so long. The next card I have for you is the Eight of Cups. Now, Eight of Cups is the cups of choices. You have number 8 here, you have number 8 here again. So number 8, whenever number 8 shows up, so many times, it's the number of Saturn, according to Vedic astrology. And what it's telling you is that you have to think of the future. This is the time for you to plan forward, not anything short term, because anything short term is going to give you happiness, but it's not going to last very long. An idea here for you is to plan. You see how this girl is standing here and you have all these cups and she's planning forward, she's planning to move ahead. That's exactly the kind of energy you need to have. And even at the bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Pentacles. Now, Page of Pentacles here is telling me, see, again, it's planning. She's reading a lot of books, she's trying to come up with things that can happen in the future, and where she can go in the future. So you have a very strong energy of cups. Despite being a fire sign, you guys are known to start things very quickly. You're very passionate, you're very quick to come to decision, you're very quick to start, you have that leadership qualities. But right now it's the time to think big, think for the longer term, and especially in regards to your love. don't settle for something, that comes to you very quickly and you don't want to wait. If you are single and you've been single for a very long time, your wish is finally going to come true. Couples are going to go plan ahead for their families and everything. But for people who have been recently single, these cards are telling me that you really need to wait. You really need to look into your options. You really need to come up with a list of things you want in your person. Let's see what other messages I have for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the Eight of Wands. Oh my god, so many eights. Guys, I think you're going to jump into one thing, then you're going to wait for a little bit, and then you're going to jump into the other thing. Am I seeing marriage for you guys? Not yet, but what I am seeing is things. If you get into a relationship, and if you've been waiting for a really long time, it does seem like things are going to escalate very quickly, because you are coming into this relationship with an idea that you want something in your life. Your person is also coming into this relationship thinking about they want something in this life. So definitely, if you both are prepared, things are going to go very, very quickly. The next card that I have for you is the Two of Pentacles. So for some of you, you may have to manage multiple things. Some of you may have a choice between two people that you can choose from. So universe will finally give you two offers, and universe will be like, make a choice, choose which one you want to go to. Or there could be a chance that when you meet this person, when you get into this relationship with this person, you will finally have to make a choice, especially in regards to your finances. Either you're going to do multiple jobs, you're going to change your job profile. So maybe if you're working full time, you will start working in a remote job, but something definitely is going to like a change is going to happen in your career. A lot of you could also be studying something new, even in regards to, I know this is a love reading, but still these are the kind of messages I'm getting. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Swords. Now, Five of Swords at the bottom of the deck is that something is going to leave you very pissed. I think possibly this is the card I'm getting for singles who've recently turned single, because they have to wait and they're kind of not ready to wait. They want things to move ahead. They want things to uh, move ahead quickly, go ahead quickly, and waiting is not going to make them happy. So end of the month, probably something could happen, or in the next couple of months, something could happen that's going to leave you angry. And again, it's going to leave you with a choice, and you will think whether you made the right decision or not, coming with this person. But for a lot of you, I am sensing very positive energy. I am sensing very, very good vibes. So don't let anything fear you. Go with the flow. Plan for long term, nothing for short term, and it's time to face your fears. So if you have been going through self-esteem issues, I think those are the things you need to tackle definitely. uh, from the love messages, the first message that I have for you is finance and career. Remember, I told you that something related to your finance and career is going to be the highlight of your relationship, where you might be studying something new. You have to plan for the future. You might be getting some kind of news with these two cards here. And then with these cards, you have to balance multiple jobs, or you'll have to balance something which relates to your finances. The next card that I have for you guys is children. That is very, very interesting. Your love life is being affected by children. Now, children, absolutely, because there could be that you have been waiting for this person, and I told you, right, this reading is for everyone. Doesn't matter whether you are divorced, you are single, but for a lot of people, when I said, there is a possibility for you getting a happy news to extend your family, well, there it is. The children card has come up. So congratulations, something positive is definitely coming your way. Let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check your readings based on your date of birth and your zodiac for your career.